So the next move we're gonna learn tonight is a thrust punch self-defense move, traditional move, and we call it hook and wings, okay? This is the way my instructor did it. So this is how we're gonna do this one off the thrust punch. When he comes at me with a thrust punch, I'm gonna switch feet and do a fan block. So it's right, left, knife hand to the neck, okay? From here, I'm gonna switch my grip on his hand, grab the back of his head. I stepped forward or switched feet when I did the move, so I need to step back to make room to bring him down. If I did it correctly, he lands this way, sideways to me, okay? I can finish him with the reverse punch. I like to go from here with this knee, leave this knee here, and put this elbow into the mat and break his wrist with a gooseneck. He's gonna get up, I'm gonna step around the other side, and we're gonna do it from the other side. As he comes at me with that thrust punch, I switch feet, right, left fan block, knife hand to the neck. Grab the back of his head, grab his wrist. I step back with my right foot, and I put him between here, okay? He's sideways to me, I'm in a good position, I can hit him with the punch, I can step back, put this into the mat, and break his wrist. Puss.